Welcome to AP Psychology Unit 4, Part 2. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of social psychology, exploring how our attitudes are formed and how they can change. We'll cover key concepts such as stereotypes, implicit attitudes, belief perseverance, and cognitive dissonance. Let's get started. Attitudes are our evaluations of people, objects, and ideas. They can be positive, negative, or neutral, and are shaped by our experiences, social influences, and personal beliefs. Understanding attitude formation is crucial in social psychology because it helps explain why we behave the way we do. Stereotypes are oversimplified generalizations about groups of people. They often lead to implicit attitudes, which are automatic, unconscious beliefs that influence our behavior and perceptions. These implicit attitudes can contribute to prejudice and discrimination. Our social identity is a part of our self-concept derived from our membership in social groups. When we categorize people into in-groups and out-groups, we may develop biases such as in-group bias and out-group homogeneity bias. Cognitive load refers to the mental effort required to process information, which can affect our attitudes and behaviors. Prejudice is a preconceived opinion that is not based on reason or actual experience, while discrimination is the unjust treatment of different categories of people. Implicit attitudes often fuel both prejudice and discrimination, making it essential to be aware of our unconscious biases. The just world phenomenon is the belief that people get what they deserve. This can lead to biases such as the confirmation bias, where we favor information that confirms our preconceptions, and the scapegoat theory, which blames others for our problems. Understanding these biases helps us recognize and challenge unfair attitudes. Belief perseverance is the tendency to cling to our initial beliefs even when confronted with contradictory evidence. Cognitive dissonance occurs when we experience discomfort due to conflicting beliefs or behaviors, leading us to change our attitudes to reduce the discomfort. By understanding these psychological concepts, we can become more aware of our attitudes and biases, leading to positive attitude changes. Remember, challenging our implicit attitudes and stereotypes is the first step towards a more inclusive and fair society. Thank you for watching. Now, let's test your understanding with a few true or false questions. 1. Implicit attitudes are always conscious beliefs. False. 2. Stereotypes can lead to prejudice and discrimination. True. Cognitive dissonance occurs when our beliefs and behaviors are in harmony. False. 4. In-group bias is the tendency to favor our own group over others. True. 5. Belief perseverance is the tendency to change our beliefs easily when faced with new information. False. Implicit attitudes are not always conscious. They are often unconscious beliefs that influence our behavior. Cognitive dissonance occurs when there is a conflict between our beliefs and behaviors, causing discomfort. Belief perseverance is the tendency to cling to our initial beliefs even when faced with contradictory evidence.